Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually turn on the whitelist and how you can add people to the whitelist. For this tutorial I'm using Minecraft 1.18, but for those who has any other versions it will still work for you. And please guys, keep watching this video step by step so you don't miss anything, and just so the video works for you and you won't have to watch it over and over again. So let's get ahead and open our world. Of course you will have to add the whitelist to your multiplayer world, not your single player world, because you're already alone in this world. So how you can actually add a whitelist, and what is the whitelist? What's the benefits of having a whitelist? Basically, if you are having like a survival world server and you are playing like 5 people and you are the owner of the server and you really didn't want your friend to invite other people, or even if they invite them they will not be able to join the server because you have a whitelist on. The whitelist will only allow the people that you have added to your server, only them that they can join the server. Even if other people got the server IP, they will not be able to join it. How you can turn it on? Basically, if you are using any hosting of Minecraft, you can just go to server properties and you will have you have to open this file and then click on edit and then search for whitelist and turn it on. After you do so, you can come to your server, or you can go to your files again and search for whitelist and add your friends and yourself to the server. If you were in the server and you wanted to add people to your whitelist, you can just write something like that, whitelist, and then you can add the name of your friend, for example, so it's whitelist add, and then for example you do something like that. If not, if you want to remove someone, you can click remove and for something like that. And if you turn it on from the server, you can whitelist on and whitelist off. You can do it from the server itself without going to your hosting settings and wasting any time of yours. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.